What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a few news stories for you and a couple of questions, so let's dive right in. First story is about the Galaxy Tab S9 series. Now, this tablet probably won't be out until about August of 2023, so about 6-7 months away from now, you should have a brand new tablet. I'll probably upgrade the performance from the 8 Gen 1 to 8 Gen 2, especially for gaming, which I don't do a lot, but I know my son does, so I'll probably upgrade him at the very least to that. But regardless, there's a new feature coming to the Galaxy Tab S9 series, it looks like, and it's a feature that probably should have been there for a while, and it is IP67 dust and water resistance, so that if you do spill some water, drop some water, submerge this tablet in water, it should be okay up to about 3 feet for, I think it's like 30 minutes or something like that. Usually it can last longer than that, but ultimately that's what it's rated for. So this is a very nice feature, a good security feature if you have a tablet, you have a kid, and they just tend to, no, I don't think they tend to bring it in the water, but they accidentally spill a ton of water or submerge it in water, it should be safe. The next few stories are all about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it is doing a lot of changes to it physically, and these changes are definitely going to trickle down to some Android phones probably later on, maybe not so much in 2023 because this phone's coming out really late into 2023. You're probably talking about September of 23. But the stuff it's doing is pretty wild. So let's take a look here. So first of all, we got Ice Universe's tweet showing that the physical buttons have disappeared, and you can see that we're looking at an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now you can see like button layouts, but physical buttons will not be there. Here is another look, this time from Tim Tomo, who says, I think the iPhone 15 buttons will be looking like this. And he shows like a Touch ID button alongside with it, which will be a multi-function button. But again, not a physical button, more I guess like a capacitive type button. Here is a really much needed feature to iPhone coming, USB-C. And USB-C is on every device basically in the world except for iPhones. And iPhones, at least the 15 Pro Max, will have USB-C. And then we have a FAQ, and here it goes. This answers about a lot of questions. How does the 14 Pro Max differ from the 15 Pro Max? The 15 Pro Max is slightly thicker, but has a narrower bezel, which makes for a sleeker and more modern design. Will there be physical buttons on the 15 Pro Max? No, the 15 Pro Max will have no physical buttons. It will instead have a Touch ID button with multiple functions, meaning that Touch ID button should be able to, I assume, control the volume, unlock the phone with your thumb. It should also be able to turn the phone on and off. What type of charging will the 15 Pro Max have? USB-C port for the 15 Pro Max, a welcome change. It's kind of interesting in the grand scheme of things of some of the changes that iPhone is potentially looking to do. USB-C, no physical buttons, going back to the Touch ID. They'll probably still have Face ID, I assume, as well. The multifunction button on there, which again, not a physical button, more of a capacitive button. And without a fact, this is going to trickle down to Android phones, more Android phones, because usually when Apple does something, even if it's late when they do it, a lot of other companies end up copying them. So what do you guys think? That'll be your question of the day. 15 Pro Max, do you like the idea of no physical buttons? Do you like the idea of them bringing back Touch ID, which is fingerprint sensor? What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the Q&A. User asks, is there any confirmation the Fold 5 will have an S Pen inside the phone? So what I've heard from rumors and things like that, the Fold 5 will not have an S Pen that goes inside of your phone. It will still be on the outside. And our last question comes from Goon Squad. I already answered his first part because I've already gave my ideas on the S23 Ultra, 8 likes, 3 dislikes. I put a video out just a few days ago, so you can look at my channel for that. But ultimately, what phone am I gonna trade in towards my Fold 5? I'll be trading in my Fold 4. Thanks for your questions. If you have a question, hashtag question in the comment. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.